In life, we all want to be appreciated for who we are. But sometimes, people take us for granted or fail to see our worth. Here are 7 ways to make someone realize your value. First, set boundaries. People will value you more when they know there are certain lines they cannot cross. By setting boundaries, you teach others that your time and energy are valuable and shouldn't be taken for granted. Second, focus on self-respect. It all starts with you. When you show that you respect yourself, others will follow suit. How you treat yourself sets the tone for how others will treat you. Next, be confident in your abilities and decisions. Confidence is magnetic, and people are naturally drawn to it. When you stand tall and speak with certainty, others will start to see the value in your perspective and contributions. Fourth, create a bit of scarcity. It sounds counterintuitive, but when you're always available, people may take you for granted. Don't hesitate to say no when needed and give yourself the space to be missed. Fifth, show consistency in your actions and words. People value reliability. When you're consistent, they know they can count on you, and that makes your presence and contributions even more important. Sixth, invest in your growth and personal development. Whether it's learning new skills, gaining new experiences, or improving yourself in any way, self-improvement will elevate your value in the eyes of others. When they see you continuously growing, they'll understand just how much you bring to the table. Finally, communicate your worth. Don't be afraid to express your value verbally when necessary. Whether it's in personal or professional settings, sometimes people need a little reminder of everything you contribute. Speak up for yourself in a way that's assertive but respectful.